Patayin mo tong background lahat. Patayin mo to lahat. Itong LED, patayin mo. O, di ba ang ganda ko? Yan lang gusto kong mga... Tapos ngayon guys, buksan nyo lahat ng...
Anong bubuksan?
Yung wallet ninyo at... Hindi.
Ayan na. Oh, yan. Super Tekla. Okay na ba yun?
Kailangan ko ng maayos.
Ano nga ba?
Parang Las Vegas doon. Kasi Celine Dion.
Oh, Super Tekla.
Ayusin mo naman.
Nga ako ba? Pinakilala mo?
Ladies and gentlemen, live.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, live. Super Tekla.
Ayusin mo!
Ate-ate mo naman.
Dalian mo na.
Guliling
Yan! Yan! Amoy na.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Yan.
Tonight is a very special night
Yan.
because we have a very special guest.
Yan.
Our guest for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is from GMA7.
Yan.
She is a host, comedian, singer, and a blogger.
Yan.
And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, she's here to give you laughter and smile and music.
Yan.
Our guest for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is my good friend. And I do believe that she can do everything just to make you laugh.
Bonita.
Ladies and gentlemen, our guest for tonight,
Bonita.
I'm proud to give you
Bonita.
my good friend,
Bonita.
the one and the only.
Lunita! Wala, uli na sekla. Sabi ko introduction, hindi ko sinabing mag-seminar ka dyan. Dapat ganun lang, ladies, live here tonight. The one and only, the Canadian Chanteuse.
Ay, sino ulit?
Canadian Chanteuse.
Pinsan ni,
Jimmy Chanteuse.
kapatid ni,
Julian Chanteuse.
tita niya si,
Charles Chanteuse.
buang.
Oh, maganda yan guys ha. Tapos,
Ladies and gentlemen,
yan! On the right corner, weighing 150 pounds, the undisputed, Pangit! Ano to?
kasi nakabelt ka kasi ng ganyan.
Celine Dion.
Naka-panty ka ba o diaper?